play a part when it's time to smoke.
It's so aggravating. Ooh. Look at all these cute little purses. Y'all probably can't tell, y'all probably don't care, but anyways.
Hold up, don't stop.
I never did this. Pop it open. Oh, my bad. I thought y'all had called me because I thought I heard a beep, but no, it wasn't a beep. It's just... Oh, so I done got on Google and looked up something. Oh, it say take a seat, grab a menu. So you gotta grab a menu, order at the bar, and take a seat. But we came here, y'all, because it said free pool tables on Thursdays after 7. Why y'all got 2 pool tables? I'm done with y'all. Okay.
She just gave me a beer. And I got a menu. She's like, yeah.
Okay.
Might be a second.
All right. Thank you.
There's a taco spot around the corner.
Okay.
They serve it. They definitely serve it.
All right. Thank you. Who just fired up a joint? Oh, you want to go on Underbelly? No. Y'all, he's so aggravating. So, we were about to go in the records place. It looks so cool, and it was like they got free pool tables. Well, I just told y'all that, but I don't know if y'all can hear me in there with all the noise. But I had looked up places because I want to go to a brewery. Why certain words be so hard for me? But y'all know on Sunday everything was closed, right? So I was told my boy I want to go to a brewery, so we was gonna go. What? Stop saying that word. California's about to close, ain't it? He's about. Oh yeah, you want me to look at it and see? All right, hold on, y'all. I'll be right back. And then Cal first, we about to see. We about to go in here. He was like, "See what's up with the rooftop, y'all." They close in an hour. Hey, is the rooftop open?
Is it just for 2?
Yes, ma'am.
So you're good to go. Elevator push.
Okay. Do you have a certain menu up there?
It's the same dinner menu.
Okay, thank you. Okay, so we're gonna go on the rooftop, guys. It's a cute elevator. And they said you take ours. Then we came here for a dinner party. Be watching the elevator. He's always so nasty on the elevator. You said what? You don't see no what? No cameras. Real nice up here, real cute. It's small, not too small, but yeah, look at the views. I love the city view at night. It's so pretty. You know, she probably won't. There's so many of them. And them Florida, Georgia people, look, they out here, y'all. They said, oh, second line. Boo, you talking about what hell they came from? Look at that. Woo! Yeah! Oh, there go the Georgians, the Georgians. They getting left. The Georgians was still fixing drink.
Get him. Get the hell out of here.
Why he got on a go ahead, y'all. What? I thought it had. You know what I instantly thought about? That thing that I seen that time with the girl, with the people in the motorcycle gang and all the motorcycle bikes. When they knocked the bikes over.
Girl, fuck you, that little ass bike.
Boo.
As you can see when you look through the picture, everybody got professional motorcycle. Hold up, don't stop. You gonna go across to one of them things, it's a median right there.
It's a median?
It's one of them things right there, but not in that one right there, but right here.
Oh, y'all, why I'm about to tear the car up.
Shit, man.
Oh, shoot.
Yeah, go over here.
I'm finna just go out that way.
I'm telling you, you can go right here.
Oh, and go around?
Yeah, you can go around it.
Oh. Y'all just almost ran over a median. Thank God my husband be paying attention.
There you go.
He always got my back.
And you can go left.
I can go left on this street.
You see the light right there?
Oh, yep. Okay. Y'all know I struggle with what I struggle with, y'all.
Direction.
Don't be cute. I was about to say crossing the street, walking and stuff. You talking about direction. Wow.
Baby act like she from out of town, in town.
I was about to say, girl, boo, it's not funny. Comment down below if you live in your city and you grew up there, you have to use the GPS. I know two other people that use. Samara used the GPS. Emily Elbow be using the GPS.
To your defense, though, a lot of shit ain't here. I mean, it's a lot of shit here that wasn't here.
I don't care what I be doing. Today is Friday, y'all. We made it. Today is Friday, October 27. Y'all, I don't care what I be doing, but I be getting my bed. I be getting my butt in the bed before 12. Child was like 12 o'clock last night. And one of my friends was texting me. Child seen that clock, and I love the deal. I love her and my baby. But I was like, hey, sis. I was like, I love you. I'm about to go to bed. It's 12 o'clock. But she already know. Like, I be trying to be in the bed before 12, y'all, because I just feel so different. What is these kids doing? What is these kids doing? All right, y'all, checking out that take them, but it's Friday. We made it. I hope y'all up doing whatever y'all got to be doing. And bye, because here come these man kids, y'all.
X's and O's in my notebook, checking how my hair and my nails look. I feel myself in the zone, get nervous when you're gone. I say I'm not home. See your face and I hear my favorite song. Should I send an email?
Running low. Definitely sure I could do a screenshot. See that ice spice drink so doggone nasty. It's like nasty with a capital N, y'all.
Yo, Slice, he ate that motherfucker up.
Hey, say hey, y'all. That's the family. It is Friday night, Florida Church weekend. You okay? And the baby is in the back. I know. My boo said he know all the food words, y'all. He said chicken, pizza, and pizza. He's all ready for bed, guys, you know. Remember how it used to be? I was like, oh, this bring back old days. Gotta make sure your kids good so you go out and have a little fun. Child, guess what? Y'all, I'm so excited. So remember I was telling y'all, okay, so yeah, can't call me beep, no more. Caution, ain't no more beeps in my background, baby. Replace them batteries. So all you had to do was inbox me on Instagram at antanesetooreal. Or maybe I'm still the real Antanese on there. I don't know. Go look it up and tell me. Go look up my Instagram and tell me what my name is. And when you come back, say, oh, you ain't Miss Beep no more. Replace all them fire alarm batteries. So remember the other day I went and bought them $10 batteries, and then we figured out that it take like double A's or something, which we already had at home. Yeah, I'll have you know replaced. So I thought it was only 2. Child, it was more than 2 because we replaced them with the double A's, and I was still hearing a beep. And then guess what? Today I figured out, yeah, you won't hear that in my background anymore, guys. I know. Okay, so what? All right, checking out. This is the last time you'll hear a beep from me. No more beep. Bye. It's Saturday! Hey, y'all. Yeah, it is Saturday, and I just came to open up this vlog and say, hey, y'all, hey! So we are out with the family. As you can see, my nephew is here. His mother is out of town celebrating her birthday. We are about to go hang out. I don't know what we're about to do, but I hope it's something on the inside, cause I put on this jacket. We like, and okay, you want to get out? I'm telling y'all, I thought it was cool this morning listening to my child. Don't trust your kids when it comes to the weather. Kim was like, oh my, it's cool outside. You can wear this. Bye, y'all. I gotta go. Y'all know how it be with kids. It took me all day to get out the house, and now I gotta go see about him. I'll be back. Child, we at. I know. Look at my boo looking like he from New York with his little rag on, y'all. This trash. I know, y'all. My kids want to go to Chuck E. Cheese. I know we ain't been here so long. There ain't no birthday party or nothing. They just want to come here. I know, right? And y'all probably can't tell, and y'all probably don't care. But anyways, I just wanted y'all to know my records is getting better. I have all this new stuff. I got to show y'all the stuff, but it been stressing me out today, so it kind of bad. But and I'm kind of mad because that's why I be making sure to have my glasses on. Cause I love my big glasses. They be coming up my wrinkles, but y'all broke them again. I said on last night on that drunk stuff, I think. I'm so mad. No, I know I be doing this to myself. Anyways, I gotta find a trash can. I'll see y'all in a little bit. Oh, I know you lying. This is so confusing.
Points each name is one to points should be saved for another day time.
Can you say that one more time? I'm so sorry.
So the time. Number 33.
Okay, thank you. Come on, y'all. Child, that other one in Regency, baby. It's, oh, child, it's nothing like this. Y'all, it's so big in here. Look. It's like so big. Everybody's so nice. The girl had to explain to me how to do everything. Cause y'all know we ain't been here in a long time. Ooh, I'm about to have my 37th birthday party here at Chuck E. Cheese. Oh, Lord, it's so nice. Oh, y'all, look. So much space. Oh, my Lord. Yes. Yes, for this side of town. All right, I'm about to go find me a plug so I can charge my phone. And I don't know what else to show y'all. All right, bye, y'all. I love y'all. And up on it. Now, this man came over here. This ain't got no plug over here. Any of them got a plug? Looking for love. Oh, and I want to, y'all, this used to be my favorite game at Chuck E. Cheese. This one right here. This one and the bonus one. But, yeah. But no. Oh, I did see like one set of, you know. Oh, they thing beeping. Y'all food ready? I'm so nosy. Talking about y'all food ready. Y'all done straight walk off and left my purse. That's how you know ain't no money enough. I know, right? I'm about to do this Thursday so I can get the 500 point shot. Everybody win. Because if them kids thought it was theirs, it is not. Hold on. It's like so nice in here. Look. I don't want to leave my stuff, but look, they got like a whole thing back there with their party area. I mean, I don't know how the other ones look because, you know, I ain't been there in a while, but I don't even know if y'all can hear me because I have my hand covering the thing, but, you know, I haven't been there and been to the other one in a while, but look. They got like a whole thing baby and stuff. Okay, Chuck E. Cheese. Yeah, so when you have your baby party, make sure you come to this one. Yeah. Oh, so I gotta hurt my tongue before they put that music back on. And I forgot to tell y'all, I gotta upload that video. She don't got no beat in the background no more. I'm just, I just be on my videos chilling with nothing in the background. It don't be like no beep. And it always be at the most unopportune time. So anyways, they don't put the music back on, so I'm about to go. Bye. Thank you.
Over the receipt right now.
Oh yeah, cause we need that receipt to get them extra 500. You know what to do with that, boy? Wow. You know what to do with that, boy? What you do with it? You pick the cheese off? Y'all know I don't even like ranch, y'all, but this one is so good. And when I tell y'all, baby, Baby, the hospital don't ever got to worry about me. If I pay $12 for a salad again, I'm coming to Chuck E. Cheese. I'm gonna get an unlimited salad. Bye. Hello. Y'all, when I tell y'all, this stuff is so good. Ooh. Checking out of Chuck E. Cheese, guys. My family has left me. Where they went at? Where did they go? No, but for real, is they gone for real, y'all? Oh, there they go. Oh, gosh, my people be talking trash. Like, dang. It's like, thank you. Like, dang, it took you that long. Y'all. Child, yeah, y'all gotta go watch my video.
Took the wrap off, y'all.
Okay, so we about to go to Walmart. We just not leaving Chuck E. Cheese.
It was so fun too.
She's talking about it was so fun, bruh. It wasn't even that bad. Normally I'd be like ready to go, but oh, Chuck E. Cheese by the avenues.
It's so fun.
You will not go to no other Chuck E. Cheese. The staff is amazing. See, this one I miss about the little kid. Baby, kid. Why does the wear on his shoes on? Baby, y'all know what Chuck E. Cheese. Chuck E. Cheese is over there. And Walmart is right here. How did your shoes? Why did y'all? Bye, y'all. I'll be right back. Now I done got like keys in the car. I just, y'all. Oh, Jesus. At least the shoes was easy to put on. All right, bye, y'all. Hey y'all, hey y'all, hey y'all. So as you can see, I still have on the same thing. I did like a little light beat. We about to go to a Halloween party. I'm trying to make sure I don't got no flashback, y'all. I do not do my makeup with a ring light. You gotta check for the flashback. But listen, y'all know my nephew over here, and let's just say parenting after 30 is like, woo. I mean, with young kids. So I just like got him set up. Well, he probably been asleep for like about 30 minutes now. So yeah, now we gotta go to a Halloween party. All right then, y'all. I will check back in with y'all. We missed all the Florida, Georgia festivities, but the kids said they had fun today. We hung out with my in-laws for a little bit. So yeah. All right. See y'all soon. Y'all, we was about to park over there. I'm not about to pay no dollars, $23.
He wanna fuck with me, then I'ma have a slug. Bitch looking bad and got a stupid black. Jewelry on your wrist, fuck it, hold it up. When I have a speed, let me pull up. Cross in the fire, and I'm looking good when I'm hopping on this truck. Where the hood niggas if they get the fuck. Being free, but we run dirty.
How y'all
Yeah, that's my dirty. My sister in the backseat with a 30. Niggas
Y'all got some cards. Whatever you need to say.
you got around, show my mercy. You the pussy bitch dirty. She like sexy, why you hurt me?
I never did this.
Took him down up the yaki.
Pop it on there.
Put that dick all over my backside. Bitch sitting courtside.
Give me the thing I was
Pussy on his
showing
neck.
you. Y'all, I haven't been to one of the games like in a while, but they might be there.
He wanna fuck with me and I'ma have a slug. Bitch looking bad and got a stupid
What you
black.
got?
Jewelry on your wrist,
So
fuck
I
it,
gotta
hold
take
it
two
up.
sides. I got all
When I have a speed, let me pull up. Cross in the fire and I fast as fuck. I'm looking good when I'm hopping on this truck. Where the hood niggas if they get the fuck. Bitches big, sexy, I'm a chosen one. I drop a bag on your head, I got a lot. And I got computers in my face, I got
Hey y'all, good morning. I am just coming to close out my vlog. I did not close out my vlog last night, y'all. I'm old, I'm tired. But anyways, today is Sunday, 29th. It's the Sunday after Florida, Georgia weekend.
Do another one.
Made it through another one.
Shit get crazy every year though.
Get crazy every year. And I just want to say, honestly, we've been though.
Ain't made no content.
Y'all, I'm just so happy I like have learned to listen to my, some people call it what, your first instinct, your conscience. Thank you, Lord, for helping me.
Yeah, still take that motherfucking decision, but a lot of times people are over that last minute. Switching to your decision be the last decision you ever made. A lot of niggas go to jail for the rest of their life for some shit that had nothing to do with it. You were just around, or you can end up not being able to make it home no more. Nigga die.
I thought about that. When I think about it, when things have happened to me in my life, when I think about it, yeah.
That last minute.
Yeah,
fucking-
that decision before, yeah, and yeah. That is
Worried
crazy.
about niggas getting killed and shit, but it always be that one person be like, bro, the man ain't even want to go out. Man ain't even want to leave the house, bro.
No, I'm not about to be back. I'm closing it out. All right, bye, y'all. I love y'all. See y'all next time. Well, I'll see y'all tomorrow. Probably later. So if I got on the same thing, yeah, it's the same thing. Because it's the same day. All right, bye.